For today's project, you're going to want to score an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of Pretty Peacock cardstock. I'm using the Stampin' UP trimmer, and I'm using the light gray blade because it will do the scoring for me. You will score at 3/4 of an inch, 4.5 inches, and 5 inches. Turn your paper, and you want to begin cutting with the darker blade at 2 3/4 inches. This will happen 3 times so that you will end up with 4 different pieces of paper, and those will make the base of your treat holders. Before you put your paper trimmer away, be sure to cut some designer series paper to 2.5 inches by 3 1/4 inches so that you can layer those on your treat holder later. I used the images from this piece of the designer series paper. I die cut those with my brother's scanning cut, and there are some videos on YouTube that show you how to do that. If you don't have a scanning cut or a die cutting machine, you can always stamp the images from the Dino Days stamp set and die cut them with the coordinating dies. Some of these dies also will work with the paper ones as well. I also used the hearts and some stamped in. All right, we're ready to put this bad boy together. So you're going to fold on all of the score lines, and you want a snack size or a fun size candy packet to put inside. Fold that little flap over it, and then just staple that in place. Right in the middle, and you don't want that too far up or too far down, just right in the middle of that flap will hold it perfectly, and then you can tuck the top flap into it. Now all you need to do is decorate the outside. I'm layering my designer series paper on there, and then I've got a couple of punched pieces that I'm adding with some Stampin' Dimensionals. I've got my little dinosaur and my stamped greeting that I'm also putting on there. Tuck that all back inside, and you've got a cute little treat. As you can see, these are pretty simple to put together. If you'd like to get a close-up of these, I do have them featured on my blog, thestampdoc.com, so feel free to check that out. All of these supplies are available in my online store, and I would love to have you as a Stamp Doc customer. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.